The 20,000 that is causing the problem, we will remove that. By the time you get to your cover page, I am sure ICT, they are here, they will rectify it. I said they will ICT, they are here, they will go back and remove it. Am I the one who does it? Hostels will be open so that you can go back into the hostel. Then, in fact, I don't know any student here, so I cannot approve for rustication. I don't know anyone here. Removal of the bill and PRO, I can't say right here, but we will remove them. They will restore light and water now. The activation of PD students, I really didn't know, but if that is the case, we will reverse and revisit it. The reversal of transcripts to 5,000, that is not our make, it is jam the processing. So we'll remove that. Then the postgraduate gown, they are not, it is not ours, it is a tailor that brings it, postgraduate gown. So we'll go back to the postgraduate gown tailor. It's one Mrs. Esagi, it's not us. Apologies.